Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming a tight niche and collecting proof. This makes your gig believable. Once done, prepare a sample lead list and one clear case study showing a result, percent or dollar impact, so buyers see value. Next, link the essential tools: Google Sheets for delivery, one CRM export format, and an email/phone finder for accuracy. Make sure to draft a single outreach template to demonstrate process. These first steps get you selling fast and avoid vague promises that stall conversions. Now build the gig. Craft 3 clear packages with specific deliverables and delivery times so buyers can compare. Once designed, add 3 fast extras like rush turnaround, verified emails, or one follow-up message to increase AOV. Make your delivery format explicit, CSV or XLSX with a sample row, and include brief method notes so clients know what they receive. Also promise 30-day basic support for small fixes. This reduces disputes. Use targeted keywords in the headline and first 2 descriptions. Launch multiple variations and push 5 strong portfolio samples so you get initial traction. Once live, do proactive outreach. Message 10 prospects per day and track replies and conversion percentage to optimize targeting. When demand grows, hire a vetted VA or automate repeat tasks but keep quality checks. If a client complains, first verify the data source and rerun the finder. If errors persist, offer a partial refund or redo. This single troubleshooting step prevents disputes and preserves your gig rating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.